Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spiral shirt. My shirt has been washed and dried. I soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes, wrung it out in my Panda spin dryer, and so it's just barely damp. I also have the shirt turned inside out. This is also a long sleeve shirt, so I've made sure that I have my sleeves nice and straight. I'm beginning my spiral with a fork, and as I'm turning the fork with one hand, I'm using my other hand to make additional folds in the shirt. I'm going to use some rubber bands to hold all the folds in place. For this shirt, I thought it would be fun to try some colors that I normally don't put together. So I'm going to use some plum from Dharma Trading Company, deep yellow from Dharma Trading Company, and Spanish carmine from Custom Colors. Before I begin applying the dye, I'm going to use a washable marker and divide the front of my shirt into two sections. On the line that I just drew, I'm going to add Spanish carmine from Custom Colors. Then on one side, I'm going to add deep yellow from Dharma Trading Company. As I'm taking each of these colors through that center spiral, I'm trying not to over apply the dye in that area because I don't want the colors to mix and get muddy or just to get too dark in that area. On the other side, I'm adding plum from Dharma Trading Company. I added the Spanish carmine right down the middle between these two colors to try to keep them separated where they don't mix and make brown. The Spanish carmine color will work well with the yellow and with the plum, but the plum and the yellow together will make brown. I just checked the back side of my shirt to see whether or not I was getting good color saturation. I want to make sure I can just barely start to see the colors coming through to the back side. Now I'm going to turn the shirt over and add Spanish carmine all on the back side of the shirt. Once the whole back side is covered in dye, I'm going to turn the shirt back over and process it with the yellow and plum side up. I left the shirt for 24 hours, then I rinsed it out, washed it and dried it, and this is what our shirt looks like. Like I mentioned earlier, this is not normally a color combination that I would put together, but I really like it. If you want to add colors that don't blend well together, see if you can find maybe a middle color that will match or go with both of those colors. That's what the Spanish carmine was in this shirt. It went well with the plum and with the deep yellow, which allowed me to be able to go ahead and put these three colors on a shirt together without them mixing into brown. So hey, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.